Don't you know that you're beautiful, just the way you are, just the way you came. Don't you know that you're beautiful, no matter what the scars.
Good morning, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And I'm really excited about today because I'm gonna go ahead and vlog for you guys. So me and Isaiah are gonna be going hiking to Sedona, Arizona, which is like a couple hours away from here. It has a bunch of beautiful rock, red rock, all of those things. So we're gonna drop Ava off at preschool. We're gonna go hiking. We're gonna do a lot of like mother-son things today. And then I'm gonna take you along with my day. I'll kind of show you what I'm eating throughout the day because I am eating to lose weight or to be like in my fitness journey, so healthier and keto now. So I will share all of that with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy this family vlog or this day in a life vlog, and I will see you guys soon. Ava wants to say hi to you guys. She wants to wear a hat today too because Mama's wearing her hat. Yeah, we still need to brush your hair, girl. And we're definitely thinking about cutting her hair at least like a few inches because we've never cut her hair before. So maybe I'll do it today or take her today. I don't know, but
Me today.
take you today?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're so cute. Okay, so we need to get your socks on and we need to definitely brush your hair. You just brushed your teeth and washed your face? Oh, all right. Yeah, you're just gonna be chilling today, aren't you? Are you just gonna be chilling today? Yeah, he's gonna be chilling at home. He loves the belly scratches. As soon as you scratch on his head or pat his head or touch him, he just lays down like a little lazy butt and wants you to scratch his belly. So, just what we're doing now, huh? Just what we're doing now. So the first thing I am packing are these hot and spicy peanuts I got from Dollar Tree, and then just some Archer Farms roasted almonds. I'm also bringing boiled eggs that I just boiled, so I need to cool those down and pack those. She looks so cute, doesn't she? So is this your outfit of the day? Is that your outfit of the day? All right, you guys, so we are officially on the road. We are on the highway. I think it's like the 101. Yeah. And we're just going north 101 in Arizona to Sedona. So super exciting. We haven't done a lot since we've lived here, like these kinds of things, going hiking or anything. If you're new to my channel, I just moved to Arizona 2 years ago from Seattle. So we are still like adventuring this state and we still don't know like a lot of the areas or anything like that. I've heard about them, but we haven't checked them out. So me and my 16-year-old son Isaiah, he's on summer break, so we're gonna go and check out Sedona because we heard about the rocks there, the red rock. I think it's called Bell Rock, and like Cathedral Rock and stuff like that. It's really awesome. There's like these spiritual vortexes that there are only a few of those around the world if you're into that, and they're here. We have some here in the States. So we're gonna go there and kind of just hike and relieve stress and all of that good stuff. Tell me about the windshields.
Windmills.
Windmills. Isaiah was just telling me that he hates windmills. He has like a phobia against windmills. Is that what they're called?
Look at that. Is that not scary? Wait,
The
maybe.
Palm Spring windmills. If you guys are from the West Coast, you guys probably have seen them. But there's like these windmills we pass by when we drove from Washington to here and down through like California and obviously through Palm Springs, and then they have the windmills and he hates them. He's like cringy by them. He's freaking out. I wish I got it on camera, seriously. Don't be trying to hide in your phone. That's okay. They know there we go. That's what we're talking about. That is my son's fear.
I'm not even fearing it. It's like just uncomfortable.
Yeah.
It's unsettling. That's the word. Unsettling.
All right, you guys, so we are here, but we're not exactly sure if we're in the right spot where we wanted to go hiking. So we're just gonna go over here and like read some of these display boards here with all the information and just kind of get some pictures because it's so pretty. Look at all of that. Okay. Guys, it's seriously, the weather is amazing here. It is a cool, windy breeze. It's 82 degrees. It's perfect. And it feels so good. Oh, I would definitely rather live in this type of climate than the climate that we are used to living in. It definitely feels like a summer in Washington right now. But like, yeah, summertime in Washington, it just feels so good. The air is just different than what it was. I think because we're in a higher elevation, but I love it. It's definitely clean because it's way out here in the middle of nowhere. What's wrong back there? Oh God. Be careful.
Alright, I'm good.
Okay, SPF in the bag. Alright, you guys, so I just want to let you know what we're trying to do. We're trying to get up there. There's a couple of people way up there, so that is our goal. So we have to try and figure out the safest way to get us up a little ways. And there's people hanging out on the cliffs and edges. It's so awesome. I love it. Oh my gosh. You're king of the world,
Keep me on my feet. I'll move to the beat, my favorite song. Keep it on repeat. Please don't let it fade. Just say you want. I follow every sound. Just say you want. I won't let you down. So we can dance through the night. Keep it tight. You're my melody. No, we don't need to think twice. It's alright.
Alright, you guys. Oh God, that's loud. So we are up super high. And I don't think we're gonna go any further because it just seems too dangerous and there's not a lot of access. Isaiah's over there hanging out on this, like, he can just basically slide down this cliff. It's super scary. So please come back over here. We just climbed up through that center area there. And then there's that freeway and everything. We're like basically at angle now. Whew, scary. The only thing to keep climbing is this like slide area, but
That's probably where water came from.
yeah, I don't think anybody's climbing it unless they have like real hiking tools. So we're gonna try and get back down. I'm just like literally chilling on this little cliff here. There's not a lot of seating. So anyway, spooky. Let me know in the comments if you're into hiking or if you've ever hiked before or semi-hiked like this, because this is challenging. Ooh. These are pretty. Okay. Ooh, look at all the amethyst. So pretty. Alright, you guys, so we just got to like all the shop areas of Sedona and it is so nice. I wish I could have got more footage. I'm gonna try and show you guys, but they have all kinds of like boutiques and little like restaurants and it's super nice. Definitely a great place to come and visit, even out of like the country. Like somebody was here from Japan we stopped and talked to, so it's definitely like a nice place. This is the Hyatt. We just had to park over here because it's that busy and everybody's like walking around and having a good time and stuff. It's really nice. Here's the Chipotle, the edge of this off here.
Nice little view for a shot.
Yeah, they can't even. There we
You
go.
can see that's someone's house.
Yeah, that's nice. All right, you guys, I'm gonna show you what I'm eating. So I'm just eating chicken, guac, like pico de gallo, some cheese. Definitely like all keto. Some peppers in there, onions and stuff. No rice, no beans or anything like that. Say's got a burrito. And then here's our view. It's so pretty. All right, you guys, so we are home. We just stopped, huh?
I want to tell you guys something. My Gigi got me a new iPad.
Yeah, Grandma Gigi got you a new iPad. Show them? Okay, Isaiah's working on it right now.
Tiny.
Yeah, that's so cool.
I want to try it on here.
Okay. And then that's the case she got you. You got chocolate in your mouth too. Alright, you guys, so we are officially home. We stopped at Target. I got a few things because I'm gonna try, well, I needed to take the chicken out. I should be doing that before I continue vlogging, but I hopefully can get this chicken defrosted soon. It's kind of late in the evening and I didn't take it out earlier, but I'm gonna try and, I don't know. I'm gonna talk to Shanam, see what he wants to do, because he doesn't really like me to microwave defrost things. He likes it like that natural defrost. There was a dog hair on my camera. Anyway, I went to Target, got a few things just to let you guys know, because I know I mentioned we were doing keto again, and I know I have some keto followers on my social medias. So I just want to let you know that we went to Target and I found these Parm Crisp snacks. And they're 0 carbs. So they're 7 fat, 100 calories, 9 protein, but they are 0 carb. I went to Target because we're gonna try and make keto fried chicken, and the recipe calls for avocado oil, and a lot of the keto recipes that I look for on the Yumly app, which is the app that I use for my cooking now, they always need avocado oil, so I needed to get that. And then I went ahead and got a couple of bags of these because the keto fried chicken, you use like a whole bag of pork rinds. Alright, you guys, this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I really appreciate when you guys stop and watch these family vlogs. They mean a lot to us. Also, don't forget to check out who is the comment of the day, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Comment below if you enjoyed it, and I will see all of you guys in my next video. Bye!